It's unboxing and a shout out to Elefun in Norway. Roger, thank you. Well, it's a fact. The drone is one of my second most important tools when I produce video to my channel. And Roger reached out as a petrol head, and you should take a look at the comments and you will find that beautiful 911 with that extra headlights. He has a vintage 911, looks spectacular. Anyway, when petrol head, just like us viewing this, reaches out and say, I'm gonna give you a Black Friday discount on the drone, I said, thank you, Roger, and I have received the package. So it's gonna be so nice to unboxing this together with you guys because I am back in business. I have finally got myself one more drone. Wait a minute. Roger, what have you done? This is not a drone. This is a model of a 928. Thank you. Wow. I mean, I have not yet made a review on my 928, but spoiler alert, it was made for a bucket list, but it must be a keeper, and now I have a model of it. Thank you. It didn't stop. What are you doing, Roger? Where's my drone? This is a calendar, a Porsche tractor calendar. Okay, thank you so much. This was so unexpected. I was about to film my new drone for you guys, and well, I guess I got some extras. What a treat. Ooh, what is this? Oh, here we have it. Elefun. So, if you are a petrol head and if you, would like to buy some electronics, go to Elefun and test it out. I mean, why not keep the family together? Oh, here we go. So here we have ND filter. These are very important. If you own a drone and do not have an ND filter, bang, this is where this needs to be purchased. Most important stuff. And here I have what's called Fly More package. Oof, this is very important because I need a lot of airtime. Remember, second most important tool when I produce is the drone. And here I have it. The DJI Mavic 2 Air. And here we have a side note. Let's put this together. Here we have, let's see if that is just a packing list. Whew, here we have it. Mavic Air 2 Zone Fly More package. Remember I cannot stress enough. ND filter, very important. Here we have it. Elefun. Actually, I can have that like this. Amazing. I'm not sure what this is, to be honest, but it's a Christmas calendar, it says. Porsche Tractor Master. Exciting days to come. Actually, I just arrived back from Stuttgart. I've been in Stuttgart the whole week and just arrived home. And one thing that strokes me when I walk the streets at Stuttgart is that there are so much variety of cars. And that kind of let me think about how much personalization you can do with your Porsche. This is what distinguishes Porsche from any other brand: personalization. The boldness of the owner in this case are huge. A lot of people, just like myself, think that you personalize your car. This is a true example on how you could move your ownership of a car to a different level. The color continues inside, and I'm not sure where to place this papaya metallic. Is it orange? Is it red? Well, it's papaya. I salute her or him that has really gone all the way with this personalization. Look how beautiful this car looks. Well, there you have it. That's what I call personalization. Actually, Roger from Elefun didn't want me to shout out saying, I just want you to contribute to make sure your channel is running, because he actually likes the work I do. But I couldn't stop it, Roger. I'm sorry if you're angry with me for shouting out your business, but to be honest, this is an important tool for me. To get those flying drone shots and to get that little extra done when I make the reviews, and bang, this is This is a proper drone, ladies and gentlemen. It actually comes in 2 versions. This is the Zoom version where I can zoom in, and for me that was more important than the Hasselblad camera that comes with that so-called Mavic Air 2 Pro. But I think, if you're gonna film in darker conditions, well, actually Sweden is quite dark, isn't it? But nevertheless, I appreciate this zoom. Let me show you a shot here of when I fly over my 928, over the classic bridge that I have close from where I live. Ooh, I really appreciate it. And I appreciate Roger for this drone. And now I can continue my production. It might be that I will have a glitch on my weekly publishing, but nevertheless, thank you so much for reaching out to get a great discount. Remember, I have paid for this, and Roger did not ask me to shout out for his business, but if you are in the business to buy electronics, check out his business link below. See you later.